Hey everybody, this is your news for Saturday, May 15th, 2021. This is Action Crypto. All right, let's keep this one short and sweet. Let's take a look at the market. As you can see, Bitcoin is at about $46,000. ADA is at 226. It was at 229 a little bit earlier today, and I think it might go back up even higher. Doge is at 50 cents. DOT is at 46 there on the number 8 spot. As I mentioned, ADA is promising and I expect great things from it. If you were to invest earlier this week when I started talking about it, it went as low as 160. If you would have sold at the 229 mark, which you shouldn't do, you would have been up 70% on your money. I know I'm not the type of person to say I told you so I'll just leave it at I told you. It's going to continue to go up. I expect great things for this coin. And if we look at this market chart again, as you can see, over a 7-day period, ADA and Polkadot are the only two coins that are on an uptrend over the last 7 days. I know I don't think I can actually talk about this enough. I will keep mentioning it because I do want to make sure that you all are taking advantage of the best possible thing out there. So both of those coins are very promising and I can see great things in the near future for it. I think that DOT is gonna do great. Still believe that ADA is gonna do even better, but I just have great promise for both of them, and I can see ADA hitting that $10 mark by the end of the summer or midway through the summer. Jumping back to Doge, we're at 50 cents right now, down a little bit, about 10% over the last 24 hours. But if I can remind you, yesterday, I did talk about how Elon was basically playing with our money, manipulating what the price of Doge was at any point in time. And sure enough, somebody out there made sure to put it on the news because it's exactly what's going on. It's scary when you have someone that has power over your money that can, with a tweet, can simply set your money going up or down. So always keep that in mind, which is why I'm not a huge fan of Doge right this second. Not that I'm not a fan of the coin itself. I've had it for a number of years, like I've mentioned before, but when it comes to buying it, expecting it to go up because somebody said so, I'm always weary of that. If we take a look at this chart, this is a really important thing for you guys to understand. There is a lot of peaks and valleys when it comes to the fluctuation in price for Bitcoin, especially over the last few years. People laughed at me when I said, Bitcoin is a great thing back when it was under $1,000. And I mean, I'm gonna say it again, Bitcoin at $46,000, it's a good thing. You do want to take advantage of these lower prices because as you can see in this chart, it's very likely that Bitcoin could hit the $100,000 mark by the end of this year. I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys the best possible information. And with that, let me give you a little bit of a pet peeve that's happened this week. Voyager app, I've been using it for a little while now, but I am somewhat disappointed, I gotta say. Anytime those tweets went out from Elon in regards to Doge and I wanted to take a look at what my portfolio looked like, if I was supposed to be selling or buying at any point in time, the app just wasn't handling it appropriately. It just wasn't able to handle your traffic. It's a good app, they have good rewards, you can stake things, but it's not able to handle the traffic at this time. So an app I want to recommend to you guys is actually Webull. The Webull platform allows you to buy and sell stocks as well as crypto. So it's a good platform if you're into the charts, if you want to take a look a little bit more in depth what I'm talking about here with the Bitcoin, how it's, my expectations are that it will be going up in the next few months and going up a lot actually. So take a look at it. I highly recommend the application. Use the link down below like I was saying so that both you and I can benefit from it. You get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 and I get 2 free stocks too, which is kind of awesome. So can't go wrong there. Well, that's gonna do it for today. I'd love if you just left a comment down below. Let me know, what do you want to hear about next? Hit that like button if you liked the video, thumbs down if you didn't. And again, just let me know. I want to hear from you. I want to know what it is that you want me to cover next and the information that you need to make the best possible decisions when it comes to the crypto world. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you get the notification when the next video goes up. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys on the next one.